Hello, my dear student. Today we are going to discuss why CSIT and DA, why computer science and data science, and how it is different, and what is the future scope in CS and IT, and in term of gate examination, what is the difference and what is the similarity. Each and everything we are going to discuss in this session. So first of all, start ki why CSIT and DA, understanding its importance and the differences. So first of all, introduction of CSIT and DA, my dear students. In a computer science, what is the main key role in a computer science and information technology focus on computing software and IT solutions. They focus on computing software IT solutions, but DA are used for extracting the data for decision making, and who choose CSIT, who want to choose CSIT and who want to choose DA. So first of all, this thing must be crystal clear in your mind ki in which field we have to go for DA and what are the chances for CSIT. You know as very well ki CS high demand in tech industries. In a technical field there is a high demand, and especially in software development, cybersecurity, networkings and IT management. These clear bacha, and these are focused on digital transformation and automation. But whenever we are talking about the DA, so DA is used for actually business intelligence and business analytics, each and everything. So why choose data analysis, DA है ना, growing the need of data driven and decision making. Like what are the career in DA है ना, in business intelligence, AI. You know AI is the today's time growing field, and there are so many companies which are working on tremendous work on AI and machine learning and big data like Hadoop, big data analysis. And it is used, why the DA is used, it is used to optimize and analysis the trend है ना, based on that use in the companies for business decision making है ना. So these are the things about the DA. And you know what happen, gate will give one opportunity. Gate is the best opportunity to give the you make a career in CS and data science both. So first of all, we will discuss ki what is the syllabus for computer science and what is the syllabus for DA. Then after discussing the syllabus, we will discuss ki what are the similar part in CS and DA, and what is the different topics or different subject which you have to read in DA separately. And being a computer engineer, I suggest to all of you ki please give the both paper. If you are preparing for gate examination, if you are a gate aspirant, then try for both paper, because most of the syllabus are common and there are little bit syllabus this is difference, but that different syllabus are used in your IT field for upcoming years है ना, and DA for interdisciplinary branch also. So you have dual options. Okay, so first of all, we will discuss syllabus of computer science, my dear students. In a computer science, what we have a discrete mathematics, engineering math, DBMS, COA, TOC compiler, computer network, digital logic, C, data structure, operating system, algorithm, compiler design and aptitude. And in DA, little bit difference, you have a math but in depth, probability and stats is little bit different, which is not in CS. And linear algebra, you know it, calculus, you know it, optimization, Python and data structure and algorithm, DBMS, database management system, and little bit portion of data warehousing है ना, data warehousing and machine learning, AI. Aptitude is same, but machine learning and AI is different. Warehousing is different, Python is different, warehousing is different, machine learning and AI is different, and stats is different, which is not the part in CS, but it's a part of DA. Otherwise, more or less, it's are same. Like here you can see what is the common in CS and DA. Aptitude part, engineering mathematics, data structure, DBMS, algorithm. These are the common parts which are in CS and DA as well. Okay, so what is the thing ki major portion of the data is common. So if you are a CSE background and you want to write DA paper, then it's very easy to write the DA paper, because majority of the portion is common. Now sir, please tell me the different part which is not common, uncommon subject for CS and DA. As I told you, in a DA, when you preparing for DA along with the computer science, you have to learn machine learning, AI, Python, stats, and warehousing is a little bit portion. है ना, वेयर हाउसिंग लाइक इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ मशीन लर्निंग, बट इट्स अ लिटिल बिट, है ना, लिटिल बिट पोर्शन, little bit data mining, it's a subset of data mining you can say, है ना, and some part of machine learning algorithm also are using, but it's a very little, very small portion of syllabus data warehousing, है ना, you can easily cover, you can easily cover. So machine learning in a nutshell, machine learning, AI and Python and stats you have to read, and when you learn machine learning, AI, that will help you in your IT industry also and your technical field also. Okay, and TOC, computer network, COS, digital COA compiler, this is in OS, computer science, but not in DA, and majority common subject we already discussed. Now why CS and CSE student choose the DA also, as I already told you, because many subjects are common, it's easy to cover this syllabus. Like data structure, DBMS and many subjects are common and having similar syllabus, exact similar syllabus and similar type of question asked, but different values. Okay, now what you need extra, I already told you, when you are reading data science test, you learn probability, states, machine learning, AI and statistics you already include, and data warehousing, data warehousing, that you need some extra. Okay, data warehousing is the extra part which is new along with the CSE syllabus, it is mentioned here also. Okay, now how the CSIT and DA is differ, because most of the student have a query, okay sir, why, what is the difference between CSIT and DA apart from the GATE syllabus? You know ki GATE syllabus we you told me, but why it is different? Because CSIT develops system, software and IT infrastructure. DA basically focus on analyzing and interpreting the data, है ना, and CSIT professionals build the application, while DA professionals extract the meaning from the data. Like DA is used for extract the data and analytical purpose and business intelligence and making the financial decision for a big companies and looking the trends, है ना, that's why DA is important. Like what is the career in CS and in DA, what is the career opportunity? In CSIT you become software engineer, network administrator, IT manager, security analysis and DBA also, database administrator. But in a DA you become data scientist, business and analytics, AI engineer and financial analyst. This is the career opportunity in DA. And what is the scope of CSIT and DA? I already told you, software development, cloud computing, cybersecurity, IT management you can go in a CSIT, and in DA data science, business intelligence, machine learning and financial analytics, and expanding in healthcare, finance, retail and technology, है ना. In today's time DA involved, data science involved, AI involved in so many fields, it is expanding in healthcare, finance, retail and technology also. And if I'm talking about the future growth, AI, automation, cloud computing will also drive CSIT job, and big data, predictive analytics is the future of DA, है ना, future of DA, and high demand are there in a DA also. What is the skills you required for getting the success in this field? If I'm talking about CSIT, programming, either Java, Python, C++, networking, cloud computing and security. But whenever we are talking about DA, if you want to make a future, then what is the skill you required in DA? First of all, stats, mathematics, probability and stats, Python language, SQL, data visualization, machine learning and AI. And soft skills, problem solving, communication and thinking. This is both in CS and DA. Now which industries hiring the CSIT and DA professional? If I'm talking about technology, like Google, Microsoft, Apple, IBM. Finance में if I'm talking about JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, PayPal. Healthcare में Pfizer, Johnson and Johnson, medtech firm. And retail and e-commerce, Amazon, Walmart and Alibaba. These are the major companies which are recruiting. Major companies, there are lots of companies, but major companies. So if you are thinking कि yes sir, I have to give the exam in both CSIT and DA, then my dear student, we start the batches, है ना, for professionals and for a regular student and for a working professional या pass out student also, है ना. 15th March from weekend batch we start just, and weekdays batch start from the 17 March, and all the subject, whatever topic you think is sir we miss 1-2 classes, all the subject, all the topic will be covered in live. So don't worry, complete syllabus will be covered by you in the class as a live. And if you are in final year or third year, you are looking for a placement also, so we have a dedicated batch with without placement and with placement also. And you know what is the cost of this batch? The cost of this batch is 6,999. In 7,000 you will get all these things. Sir, what we get in the batch, what is the USP? You will get 900 plus live hours, live classes, 300 plus hours recording content, and we have a separate batches for Hindi and English, like Hindi, and quiz, DPP, PYQs. We have 1-to-1 mentorship session, and separate doubt solving, and many more. So in this you can see bacha, in a 7,000 you are getting 1200 hours plus classes, and 900 out of this 900 is a live and 300 is recording, and all classes will be conducted on smart board, like whatever I'm writing in this manner. So you will get the complete feel of offline class, similar to offline class, and give your best also. And if I'm talking about the faculty profile, then first of all you can say God of computer science, Dr. Khalil sir, having more than 30 years experience. Then Malesham Devsane sir, alumni of IIT Bombay. Chandan sir, ex-ISRO AIR 13 and 26 also. Avinash sir, Shailendra sir, Dr. Parth sir, me Vijay sir, Satish sir, Gaurav sir is also IITian, and Sakshi ma'am, alumni of IIT, she will teach you math in CS and DA. So these are the very strong faculty profile in my team, and so many team number is not only these, so many also respected faculty member which are working in background for a content, for a DPP, for a question solving, for a doubt solving. So we have a very large team, and to provide each and everything on time with 100% dedication. So if you are willing, you can apply the code also, and we have a 1-year program GATE 2026, 2-year program 2027, 3-year program for GATE 2028, and you have to use code upskill 30 for getting the maximum discount. So if you are thinking for a GATE, so don't waste your time, start early and take the advantage of your time and give your best and get the very good rank and make a future in a bright direction. Okay. And if you want to do the higher studies, if you want to do only in IT, going for IT, not do the higher studies, then you can start your coding right now. That means in a nutshell, I want to say, don't waste your time, utilize your time in either in coding, either in studies, doing something productive. Don't waste your time by scrolling the reel or whatever. I'm not commenting on anyone, but I'm telling the bitter truth. So please, I request to all of you, utilize your time in a best manner. So once again, thank you. And if there is any doubt, any query, then you can post in comment section. Okay, bachcho. So once again, thank you everyone. God bless you and best of luck for your bright future.